In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to split a cell diagonally in Excel. If you'd like to grab a copy of the file used in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, so for method one, I'll just click on cell C4 and I'll just type a couple of things in. Okay, so I've just got text 1, space, and text 2. So the next thing I want to do is right click on the cell and go to Format, and then go to Border, and we'll just get a thicker line and we'll just put a border on the outline, and then we'll also get the diagonal line that's higher on the left side than the right side, and we'll click on OK. And I'll just click off the cell so you can see what we've got so far. So what you need to do now is right click on the cell again, go to Format, and this time go to Alignment. And for horizontal, we want Distributed. And for vertical, we want Center. And then click on OK. And now I'll just make that cell a bit wider. And you can see that text 1 is on the left hand and lower side of the horizontal line, and text 2 is on the right hand side, which is up higher. And I'll just click off the cell so you can see the border on the outside as well. Okay, so that's one method. The other method is a bit different, so I'll just click on cell F6 and we'll just right click and go into Format, and we'll go to Border, and I'll get the thicker border again, and I'll put the outline in, and this time I'll get the other diagonal line that's higher on the right hand side, and I'll click on OK. I'll just click off so you can see that. Okay, this time we're going to type some text in, but I'll just make the formula bar a bit bigger because we're going to use two lines. And I'll type in text 1. And this time I'll press Alt Enter and then text 2. Okay, so it's important to have those on different lines by pressing Alt Enter. Now, if I press Enter, you can see that it's come up not quite right. So what we have to do, I'll just make this a little bit wider as well, is we'll click back on here and just put some spaces in front of text 2. So I'll just hit the space bar a couple of times to move text 2 across to the right hand side. Now I'll press Enter. And as you can see, text 1 and text 2 are now in the two different parts of the cell. And I can just move that up so it just all aligns properly. Okay, so that's two different ways you can split a cell in Excel diagonally.